Top 5 most dangerous birds. The 5th most dangerous bird is barren owl. They target the head on attack with sharp claws, which result in serious injuries. The 4th most dangerous bird is lammergeier. However, attack on humans is rare. The 3rd most dangerous bird is emu. The 2 claws of emus are capable of eviscerating animals or humans. The 2nd most dangerous bird is ostrich. They kick powerful enough to kill a lion or a human. The 1st most dangerous bird is cassowary. Their single strike can break bones and even cause death.